Hey everyone, are you struggling to keep track of all of your apps from the Google Play Store? Today I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to organize, manage, and secure your apps effortlessly. So let's jump in. First of all, download Google Gemini, right? And log in using your credentials, right? Enable the autofill from your for your accounts. You can go ahead to your settings and type autofill in the search, right? I'm gonna type right here autofill, and you're gonna see right here the third option, autofill and passwords. Go ahead right here and make sure that you allow the autofill from your passwords on your iPhone, right? So you can log in smoothly. Now what you're gonna do, if you want go and organize your app accounts, go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right, and then click the extensions, and you're gonna see the Google platforms right here, right? If you don't want some of these platforms, you can just shut it down by just turn it off, right? And if you want it, just turn it on and connect, right? And basically what you can do now, you can keep track of apps with active subscription. So go ahead right here and type keep track for apps with active subscription. I can help you keep track of while I can directly access is there active subscription. If you're already a subscriber, then I'm using my advanced mode right now. If you're not, you can always upgrade to Gemini Advanced. Is there active subscription for Google platforms or Google Play Store apps? Sounds like you're asking about subscription related to Google platforms that offer subscription. So basically I don't have none, because if I do, they will show me the platform, right? So next, update your passwords. For apps requiring unique account, you can use Gemini 2.0 password generator. Generate passwords. And as you can see right here, you can use methods, right? Right here, randomly generated. This is for a strong example, right? Now, what you're gonna do, review and uninstall unused apps. Regularly review app list and categorize them in Gemini. Review the extension, in my case, list, and delete the unused ones. I cannot directly review and delete extensions, but you can just go ahead, and as you can see right here, they won't be able to do it. You can just go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right, click extensions, and then just shut it down by toggle this one off, because they are all part of the Google platforms, right? So that's how you can use Gemini 2.0 to organize and manage your Google Play Store apps like a pro. Say goodbye to app clutter and hello to seamless management. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Share your favorite tips in the comments below. See you next time.